What's up, family, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make 7 figures monthly selling your own brand e-commerce product without manufacturing any of this product. You're making money daily selling your own product, your own brand product, a product that has your brand name, your brand logo. But the good thing about this is that you are not manufacturing any of this product. So if this sounds like something you're really interested in, you need to ensure you watch the video to the very end, because I am going to take you through the whole process. I'm going to show you how to do this, how to achieve this with little capital. You get me right? With little capital. So before I go straight into it, my name is Onyi Omura. Okay, as you can see from the screen, my name is Onyi Omura, and here in this channel I create content around starting an online business, growing your business online, making money online. I also go in depth with importation business, exportation business, affiliate marketing, and different ways you can make money online. So if this sounds like something interesting to you, or you're interested in making money online, like you just want to make money online, you're definitely watching the right video and you are on the right channel. One thing I want you to do right now, okay, is to go ahead and hit on the red subscribe button down below. Just hit on that red subscribe button. Also, give this video a like, give this video a thumbs up, okay, because you are really going to enjoy the content of this video. Just go ahead right now and give this video a like, subscribe, turn on your bell notification. Also, you can share this video with your friends, your family members on your social media platform, so that they also can achieve 1 or 2 things from this video. Without much ado, let's dive straight into the video of today. Just as you can see on my screen again, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make 7 figures monthly selling your own brand e-commerce product without manufacturing any of these products. Okay, so before I go into it, before I go into how to get your own brand product, before I go into the whole details, first of all, let me start with what is e-commerce. Okay, let me start from the basic. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is simply the buying and selling of goods and services through the internet. That is all. That is, you buy goods and you sell through the internet, maybe using your phone, your laptop, your tablets, any device at all you have at hand, or any device you wish to use. All you're doing in e-commerce is just to buy goods and sell. And as you buy these products, you buy these goods, you're buying them at a cheaper rate. And when you're selling it with your own profit. You're making money selling these products. Okay, that's basically what e-commerce is all about. Okay, but if you don't understand this, you want to know more about e-commerce business, there is a video I made some few days ago. I will link it at the end of this video. So after watching this, you need to go watch that video again, so that you will know what e-commerce is all about and you will know everything about e-commerce. Okay, so let's continue. The next thing I want you to know is there are 4 main types of e-commerce. Okay, there are 4 main types, apart from the B2B, the B2C, and the rest of those. Here I'm concentrating on the 4 main types of e-commerce, and the first I have on my screen today is the local arbitrage. The second is the drop shipping. The third is the private label, and then the fourth is mini importation. Please, I will not be explaining this again because I've already explained them in details in my previous video, which I'll be linking for you at the end of this video. So after watching this, you can go watch that as well. Reason is because in this type of e-commerce business, there are some of them that you can start up with absolute zero capital. Okay, yes, you heard me right. Some of this e-commerce that you can start with absolute zero capital, like drop shipping, local arbitrage, you can start this with zero capital. If you don't have capital to start your business, but you still want to start a business, this is the right business for you. E-commerce is the right business for you. So with drop shipping or local arbitrage, you can start with absolute zero capital. But here in this video, I'll be concentrating on private label. Okay, I'll be concentrating on private label. This is how you start selling your brand e-commerce product without manufacturing them. It's under private label. I can remember in that previous video I made, some of you started commenting that you want to know much about private label, you want to go into it, it sounds interesting. It is why I am making this video. So if there's anything you don't understand in this video, or there's anything you want me to make a more detailed video on, go down this comment section of this video right now and drop your comment. But if you don't have any comments at all, just go ahead and hit the like button of this video. Okay, you can just like this video and I'll be so happy. Okay, now what is private labeling? Private labeling is when a manufacturer produces goods that are packaged, retailed, and sold exclusively by a third party, that is the brand owner. That is you watching this video. You want to start selling your own brand products, but you don't have the resources to start manufacturing it. You have no reason to worry, because here in private labeling, you will see how you can start selling your product, your own brand product, the product that has your brand name, your brand label, product that you gave the whole specification of how it should be manufactured. It's your product, and you go ahead and start selling it and make money. You achieve all of this in private labeling. Okay, let me go again. Private labeling is when a manufacturer produces goods that are packaged, retailed, and sold exclusively by a third party. They are manufacturing this product for you. The manufacturer will manufacture this product for you alone, you and you alone, you the brand owner. Okay, now when I go down to the next sentence, it says a private label product. Okay, please get this right, but if you don't understand, don't worry. When I go into the practical, because I'm going to show you practically here in this video. Okay, if you don't understand this, just know it. When I go into the practical section, you will understand more what private label is all about. A private label product is one that a retailer gets produced by a third-party manufacturer but sells under its own brand. That is, your manufacturer will produce this product for you, but you sell it under your own brand with your brand name. It is your product, but it is being produced for you by a third-party manufacturer. You are not manufacturing this product yourself, but this product is your product. The retailer controls everything about the product or products. Okay, you, the retailer, you control everything, like everything. I really need to highlight this everything. Okay, so you control everything about the product or product. That includes the specifications of the product, how it's packaged, and everything else. You are in control. You, the brand owner, you are in control. You give the manufacturer the specification of how you want this product to come out. You, the brand owner, you instruct the manufacturer that this is how you want your product to be manufactured for you. This is how you want your product to be produced for you. Like, you are in control of everything about the product. All the manufacturer is doing here is just to manufacture this product according to your own specification, nothing else. That is, the manufacturer is using your brand name. Okay, he is using your labeling, he is using your brand color, like everything about your brand. You give it to the manufacturer and he will go ahead to manufacture this product for you. Okay, that's what private label product is all about. Examples of private label products: that is, product that can be manufactured by a private labeling company. Okay, now the first I have here is hair and hair accessory. Let's say you are a small business owner and you want to go into hair business. You want to grow your brand, and your brand is all about hair. Now, then contact a manufacturer that will produce this hair for you, maybe human hair wigs, and maybe your bands, or just hair accessories in general. You can contact a manufacturer that will produce this for you with your specification, with your brand name, your brand logo, and everything about your brand. I'm going to show you practically. Okay, I'm going to show you this practically, but let's first of all understand the basis. Number 2, here I have cosmetic products, and here under cosmetic product we have your body cream, your face cream, your scrub, everything, your makeup items. You must have seen some brand maybe on Instagram that sell their own makeup products. Okay, let me take for example, let me use Laifa. Sorry, I love using Laifa because I know her, I know about her brand, and I love the way she's growing. Let me use Laifa. You can go check her out on Instagram, Laifa Luxury Hair. Laifa has her own hair brand. Now, Laifa doesn't manufacture those hair herself. No, she doesn't manufacture those hair. She doesn't have a manufacturing company here in Nigeria that manufactures hair. No, but she's the brand owner of Laifa Luxury Hair. Now, let me explain to you how she achieved this. All she did is just to contact a manufacturer. All she did is just to contact a manufacturer that will manufacture this hair, that will produce this hair, and then give this manufacturer instruction, give this manufacturer your own specification, the design you want, your brand name, your brand logo, your brand color, everything about your brand, you give it to the manufacturer. Now this manufacturer will manufacture this product according to your specification. He will not go outside your specification. Okay, he will manufacture the hair for her. He manufactures the hair for her according to her specification and then ships it down to Nigeria. That is how we have Laifa Luxury Hair. She is the owner of the brand, but she's not the manufacturer. That is, she has a private label company that is manufacturing this hair for her. She has a private label manufacturer that is manufacturing this hair for her. All she's doing is give them specification. When they are done with producing it, they ship it down to Nigeria for her. She goes ahead to decide the price she wants to sell. She goes ahead to decide how to market her product. Like, she decides everything that happens to the brand and everything that happens to the hair. I don't know if you understand me with this illustration. Okay, so there are others that sell cosmetic products like makeup items. Let me use Zaron for example, and Zaron might not be the one producing the product they are selling, the makeup items, the powder, the concealers, the foundation. They might not be the actual producers or the actual manufacturer. It might not be that Zaron is just a brand name. They have their third-party manufacturer that is manufacturing these products for them with their specification, and then they sell it as their brand product. Now, we don't know who the manufacturer of that product are. We don't want to know. All we know is Zaron. All we care to know about is Zaron. When we have any complaint with any of their products, or who the person we contact will always be Zaron. Same with Laifa Luxury Hair. I don't care to know who her manufacturers are, but whenever I purchase hair from her and I have any issues, I have anything I want to talk about, it's always Laifa I will go back to. You understand what I'm saying? So private labeling helps you sell your own brand product without manufacturing this product yourself. Please, if you're liking this video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube will show it to other people that are interested in this kind of video. Also, if you have questions, there's anything you don't understand, or you have any contribution, go down the comment section. I'll be there to discuss with you people, because this is a kind of business that I want we Nigerians or youth of nowadays to go into, because there are potentials in this line of business. So the number 3 here is health and fitness product. An example of product under the health and fitness product is like your slim belt. Now let me use this person on Instagram. Let me use Get Fit. If you know Get Fit, if you don't know them, you can go check them out on Instagram. Get Fit, they sell getfit.ng. I think that's the name, getfit.ng. They sell health and fitness product like the slim belt. Okay, they sell slim belt, and they are not the manufacturers of this product. They are just a brand, and they are selling their brand product. They are a brand selling fitness products. Like, you don't even need to know who the manufacturers are, because you can't even know who these manufacturers are, who their manufacturers are, or who their producers are. All you know is getfit.ng, because they are the brand product you're buying. They are the brand that you're patronizing. Do you get what I'm saying? So you can go on Instagram and search for so many brands. You get to know that this brand, they don't manufacture any of these items they are selling. They have a private label manufacturer that is manufacturing it for them according to their specification. The next is clothes, jewelries. We have so many brands selling their own jewelries on Instagram, guys. We have so many brands. I don't know if I should link some of them, but if I don't, maybe in subsequent videos I'll show you some of them. Okay, phone and phone accessories. Now let me tell you something. There is a brand, a very popular phone brand we know, Tecno. Take Tecno for example. Tecno is a brand name. Samsung is a brand name. Apple is a brand name. Okay, most of these brands, they don't manufacture this phone we are using. They are not the manufacturers of this phone we are using. They have private label manufacturers that are producing this phone for them. All they do is just to add their brand name, to give their producers specification on how to customize their product for them, and they start selling it. All we know is, we know Tecno, we know Apple, we know Samsung, but we don't know the manufacturer behind them, and I don't think we care to know, right? Because if you're using Tecno phone for example, and you have any complaint, the person you will lay your complaint to is Tecno company, their customer care. like you know nothing about the private label manufacturer, the person you will lay your complaint to is the customer care of Techno. They themselves will look into it. If they have any other way to correct it, they'll relate it to their private label manufacturer. You understand what I'm saying? We have some home decor items, kitchen items, and so much more. Like the list is endless. Okay, so the next here is how to get manufacturers or suppliers for private label products. Finding manufacturers or suppliers that deliver standard product is not hard. Like, it is not hard. They are on the internet. You don't need to see them physically. You don't need to see them face to face. But of course, if you have the resources, you can go visit them, visit their company. But if you are a starter or you are a small business owner, you don't need to see these people. I'll show you that practically. One of the best places that you can search for private label manufacturers is Alibaba. Alibaba is a B2B business platform. Okay, hope you know that. Okay, it's a business to business platform. That is where you can get private label manufacturers for your brand. On Alibaba, just input the name of the product you want to sell. Let's say you want to start selling bags, you want to start selling shoes, you want to start selling clothes. All you need to do is to input the name bags. I will show you that in a moment. One good thing about Alibaba's result is that you can see verifications of the product and certifications of the company. I'll also show you this practically. With these, you can be certain of what you are getting. There are tons of products on Alibaba, and a good number of them are less expensive because they are made overseas. Now let me show you practically how to get manufacturers for your private label product. Okay, let's go to Alibaba. When you come to alibaba.com like this is the search bar. Okay, you can go ahead to search for anything, just as I said earlier. Let's say you want to sell bags. All you need to do is to click here and type bags. You want to sell shoes, you click and sell and type shoes, anything you want to sell. But this video, I'll be using human hair wigs. I don't know why I love hair. I think I need to go into this line of business fully. Of course, I'm running it on a low key. I just love hair. I love good hair. Okay, so here we have human hair wigs. After that, I click on the search bar. Okay, when I click on the search bar, these are some of the results I get. You can see the first person, Joy Wigs raw human hair. You can see the next one, mink straight human hair. You can see this one. When you scroll down, you can see different suppliers of hair, like different suppliers of hair. So let me just click on anyone. I clicked on one earlier. Let me click on it. Okay, this is a supplier of hair. You can see the seller, you can see the supplier or this manufacturer. Now it's a HD lace front human hair wigs for black women, Brazilian raw hair vendor. 360, it has 360 lace frontal wig, glueless full lace wig. Okay, it's a hotel product. Now you can see this product has 4.9 star ratings, 57 reviews, and then 158 buyers. Now this is not all what we are here for, but let me show you this product. You can buy from when you're buying from 1 to 9 pieces, you get it at $54.90. So you can see this different price range. Okay, you can see the different inches. You just click on the inches you want. Let me show you how you can determine if this seller or this supplier is a manufacturer that can produce your own product for you. I'll show you all you need to check to see if this manufacturer can brand your own product for you with your branding, with your brand logo, your brand name, and the rest of them. Now the first thing I want you to check when you click on a store, when you enter a store, is please check if the seller is verified. You can see here it's verified. He is or she is a verified supplier. Please, this is very, very important. If the seller is not verified, run away from that seller, go get another. And this seller is verified. Okay, and this is a manufacturer. You can see it here, a manufacturer and trading company. This is not just a distributor, a supplier. This is a manufacturer and trading company. This is where you get information. Okay, and this seller has been on Alibaba for a year now. You can see their response time. They respond in maybe 4 hours time. They'll respond to your message, and their on-time delivery rate is around 98.6%, which is great. It is great for a manufacturing company to have 98.6% on-time delivery rate. That is, they deliver promptly. Don't worry, we are going to view customer reviews. We're going to see customer reviews to know if this is true. Okay, now the next thing I want you to see here is the number of transactions. This is the number of transactions with the number of product they've sold, and then their company space. You can see the floor space in meter square is 480. That is to tell you more that this is a manufacturing company. Okay, when we go down now, you can see they have inspectors, 0 to 4 inspectors. Okay, now the number of staff, they have 94 staff in this company. This is not a small company, guys. It is not a small company. Any company that has up to 90, this is almost 100 staff. You know what that means. This is a big manufacturing company. Now let's scroll down. Just scroll down. When you come to the bottom here, you can see samples 22 inches. If you want to order for sample, let me say this: whenever you contact any supplier, please request for samples. You don't just want to buy directly without seeing a sample of what their product looks like. You don't want to waste your money. Yeah, you don't want to lose your money. So the first thing you need to do is that you will contact different seller. Take for example, I want to go into hair business. Now this is the number one seller this is the number one manufacturer I'm contacting. All I'll do is to order for the sample product. Now you can see how much I'll be paying for sample and a piece. They can send me a piece. I'll just click on buy samples. When I click on it, bam, I'm ready to buy sample of this particular hair. Always get samples first before you decide on which of the manufacturers to use. Sometimes you can have up to 2 manufacturers of products, okay, that are manufacturing your brand product for you. But before you filter those 2, you should have at least message like 5-6 supplier. If you can, order samples for them so that you will compare their product and know which one is best for your brand, which one is best for your customers, for your audience. This is very, very important. Now beneath it, you will see customization. This is very, very important. This is where we are looking into now. Customization. Alibaba.com built-in online customization. Now you can customize your product online yourself. You can click on customize now to customize. Remember, I'm not advising you to go ahead and start customizing. You need to buy samples first. Chat the suppliers. Now, most of these suppliers, they have a minimum order quantity that you need to buy before they will customize products for you. According to this manufacturer or suppliers, the minimum order is 20 pieces. You can see it here. Minimum order 20 pieces. You need to order at least 20. This will show them that yes, or it will tell them that yes, you are a reseller. You want to resell. You want to sell with your own brand. You get what I'm saying? You cannot just come and order one and you expect them to go through the stress of customizing one product or one item for you. No, you need to buy a minimum of 20 pieces of this hair before they can customize it for you with your customized logo, your brand packaging, your graphic design. You can see I talked about graphic, I talked about color. Okay, before they can customize it for you, you need to buy at least 20. You may also like this. These are some of the products, these are some of the hair that this particular manufacturer also produces. You can see different types of hair here. Now come down to where you see supply ability. Okay, before that, this is an overview, a quick detail of the hair, their company and everything. You can see the name of the hair. It's 100% virgin human hair. Okay, you need to check all of this to know if it suits what you want to get, if it suits what you want to buy. The quality is raw and unprocessed hair. Okay, it's a raw and unprocessed hair. Then you can see the lace material. They have the HD lace, transparent lace, Swiss lace, brown lace, depending on the one you want. Advantage is that no shedding, no tangle, is soft. Their service is fast shipping. When you come here, you see the brand name, Uncles, the hair grade, Remy hair, human hair type, Brazilian hairstyle. Just read all of this, okay? This is just an illustration. Maybe yours, you don't want to go into hair, you want to go into bags. These are the different things you need to check, okay? And delivery time is between 2 to 3 days. Can be used in 3 to 5 years. That is the quality of their hair. Okay, then when you go down here, you can see their supply ability. They can supply up to this is a very big company. Remember, they have up to 98 workers, 98 employees. So they can supply you up to 100,000 pieces per day, guys. This is a big company for me. They can supply you up to 100, or they can manufacture up to 100,000 pieces. So even if here in Nigeria it's only your brand hair we'll be using, this company is capable of covering everything for you, because a day supply, they can give you up to 100,000 hair per day. 100,000 pieces of hair per day. So you can see it here. Then their packaging and delivery, guys, this is a very great line of business. Like, if you want to make money, go into private label. Most of these companies you're seeing, Apple, Samsung, all of them, most of them, they don't manufacture their product themselves. They are using private label manufacturers to achieve this. Then you can see the next thing here, packaging and delivery. You can see their packaging, hair packaging, inner packaging. Okay, they have a packaging for the hair itself. Okay, then they have an inner packaging, then they put the hair into a poly bag. They have an outer packaging, express bag or factory box. Then number 4 is that they can accept your customized packaging, can also use customer brand and logo. That is to say that they can customize for you. Okay, they can customize for you. Now, when you go down, you can see online customization. I told you about this earlier. Click the image below to start online customization for the design you want. Full custom service. Your business is our business. We are willing to help you build your own brand. They are willing to help you build your brand. Now here, you can click on this to customize the hang tag. Okay, the tag, you know what is tag now. When you buy hair or when you buy clothes, you know tag. They can help you customize the hang tag here. You know, here you can add your name and size, color. That is what your hang tag will contain. The next thing here is the hair itself. The next thing you can customize here is the silk ribbon. If you buy hair, you know, if you buy hair, even this normal synthetic hair you buy in the market, you can see some of them are tied with some ribbon. Now you can change. If yellow is not your brand color, let's say your brand color is red, is pink, you can click here to customize it, to change the color. Now the next thing here is box, your custom box. Remember, guys, if you want to make money, you need to know how to brand your products. Okay, you need to know how to brand your product. That is why you need to go on Instagram before you start contacting the seller, or before you start branding your own product. Please go on Instagram, check other vendors in that line of business you want to go into. Now I'm looking into hair. I can go on Instagram and check Laifa hair, check other hair giving hair. There are so many brands on Instagram that are selling hair, so I can go check them out, see their packaging, and know how I'll customize mine to look even better than theirs. That is how you make money in this line of business. Make sure that you are customizing this yourself. It should at least stand out. It should stand out. It should beat those of your competitors in the market. Okay, now you can come here to customize your box. Now the satin bag, if you're buying human hair, you know, most times it comes in satin bag. You'll see the hair in a satin bag before it's been put in the customized box. Now you can customize this satin bag. For example, Laifa, on her she wrote Laifa hair. On the box, you can see her face, and you see some background history of how she started her hair business. She did all of that, and it's just so beautiful. You can go check that out. Then your label, you can see where you can customize your label. Then your satin cap and bows. You know, if you're buying human hair, sometimes it comes with this band that they use for laying baby hair. Okay, it comes with band, it comes with the caps. You can customize all of this, guys. I love this. So if you want to go ahead and customize, I'll just click on customize now. Just see it. So if you click on customize now, you need to download draft. You need to download this. I'm not customizing anything now, because of course I've not spoken to this supplier. I need to speak to the supplier first before I know which one is better for me to do. Okay, so that's that about customizing your products for your brand. Now, after you must have spoken to this supplier, and you go ahead here to customize everything according to your brand, the supplier will tell you, or the manufacturers will tell you, okay, it will take us like 5 days, 10 days to customize this for you, and after that we'll inform you when we are done, and then we can ship to you. Just keep in contact with your manufacturers. Okay, remember, we need to check verified information. Okay, this is a verified seller. This information was verified by Intertech and is valid for the following period. Okay, the company's profile. You want to know more about this company, see it here. The number one thing you see that this is a verified company. Hona Uncle's Biology Co. Limited. So this is the company name, and there is a verified company. You can see what the company looks like inside of the company. This is what it look like, and the ownership, the country. Okay, this is China. Hunan in China. The ownership is a private owner. This is a private owner. Okay, then the total annual revenue, guys, you can see the total annual revenue. This is not a small company. The number of employees is between 51 to 100 people, but we saw earlier specifically around 94. Okay, 94 staff in total. Okay, so you can see all of that there. Product certification, trademarks, patterns, main market, and their main market are usually North American 42%, Africa 20%, South America 15%. That's their main market. That's where most of their customer come from. Okay, so that's that. Just scroll down to see everything about this particular company. Now you can see the factory size. Just check that out on your own. Transactions. Okay, their transaction between 1st of December 2020 till date. Okay, till date. Today is 10th. Okay, till 9th of November 2021. Their number of transactions in total is 255. Now you can see it from April they had around 15 transactions, May 17, June they have 27, the next one 52. So you can see the graph here. In November, remember November is still reading, they have just 6, and the total quantities they've sold, the total number of hair is 1,684. Total buyers 158. So you can see it there. The next thing I want you to check is the buyers review. You can see that in general, the product quality has 4.9 star rating. Guys, for you to get a 4.9 star rating for hair, no, this company is a nice one. They sell good quality hair. You can see their online shipment, again 4.9, service 4.7. Now you can scroll down to read some of these reviews yourself. Remember they told us earlier that most of their customers are from the US, from Africa. Okay, now you can see this person said, absolutely gorgeous. I gave them a heart tax, and then they executed. You can see all of this. Hair is beautiful and soft. Love the quality. You can scroll to see arrived ridiculously early. This is this person giving his or her review. Arrived ridiculously early and is great quality. I hope it lasts. We order more soon. Okay, there's that. You can see other buyers, amazing customer service and fast turnaround. We came in a timely manner and smelled great, and I immediately ready for install. So that's that. You can click to see more. You might even see some of the reviews coming from your country. So let me click on review page number 4. The delivery is fast. These are mostly from United States. They said it earlier that most of their customers, like they told us earlier, you can see it here. They said, where did I see that earlier? But we saw it earlier that the larger percentage of their customers are from America. Okay, the larger percentage, then around 20 or 15% are from Africa. Okay, so that's that about getting manufacturer. This is one. You can contact up to 5 or 6, then you filter them off based on what you want for your brand. Okay, this is an example, guys. If you don't understand, leave comments for me in the comment section. If you understand and you love this content, you want me to do more, please give this video a thumbs up. Like, that's all I'm asking from you. And finally, let me show you the benefits of your own brand product. Benefit of private label products. Okay, benefit of private labeling, that is benefit of selling your own brand product. Now you have control over the ingredient component used to manufacture the product. Like, you have control. You're giving the suppliers the specification of how they should produce your own products for you. You are in control, 100% in control of everything that is going into that particular product. Okay, the second one is that you have control over the packaging and branding of that product. Just as we saw earlier on Alibaba, you have control over the packaging, your box packaging, your leather packaging, your tag, your color, everything, you're in control of it. And a very interesting one is that you decide the price at which you want to sell. Like, nobody is deciding the price for you. This is your brand product. Again, I'm using Laifa hair for example. She decides how much she wants to sell based on, maybe she has looked into other brands, see how much they are selling, and let's say you are a starter in this business, you can decide, okay, I don't want to have more profits now, so that I can have more customers, so that more customers can troop to my store or troop and buy more of my product. And then when I've already gained their trust, when I've gained their loyalty, I can go ahead to increase my price. These are business strategies. Okay, these are business strategies that you need to look into. You need to plan your business, guys. It's very, very important. Now, you decide the price at which you want to sell. The market is not deciding it for you. Your manufacturer is not deciding it for you. You, the brand owner, you, the retailer, decide how much you want to sell. Number 4 here is that it helps your brand stand out among other competitors in the market. This is very, very true, because before you contact a manufacturer to manufacture your product, you must have seen other brand. You must have seen their lacks, okay, what they are lagging, things they are not doing properly. Now, if you want your own to stand out, you tell your supplier, this is what I want, this is what I want, this is the color I want, this is the packaging I want. Remember, packaging is very, very important. If you want to go into brand, you want to start selling your brand product, you need to look into your packaging. Like, you need to spend more time into designing your packaging, into imagining what your packaging will look like. Because let me tell you something, customers nowadays, especially if you're selling on Instagram, you will know this is for sure. You will know this for sure. Customers nowadays, they appreciate brand more than some of the product they are buying. Like, if the brand is so beautiful, I'm not saying that you should sell product that is below standard. Of course, you should sell great products if you want more customers to your store. But all I'm saying here is that you need to look into your packaging. It sells your brand first. It sells the product you're selling first, more than the product itself. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but your packaging matters and it helps your business stand out. The last one here is, it is the easiest way to build your own brand as a small business owner. Like, as a small business owner, you have just 50,000 naira, you can start selling your own brand. Of course, as a small business owner, let's say you have about 100,000 naira and you want to start selling your own product, there are other niches that you can go into, like the health and fitness niche. You can contact manufacturers that sells fitness belts, some fitness creams and the rest of them. They manufacture all of this for you. These products are not expensive on Alibaba. In my previous video, I showed you a particular cream that removes stretch mark and scar. That cream, we saw it on Alibaba. It's less than $1 on Alibaba. Now, with 100,000 naira, you can buy as much as 50 pieces of that product and even have extra to pay for branding. Okay, so you can start selling your own brand product through private labeling. You don't need to start thinking of how to bring in equipment to start manufacturing your own products, all the bottlenecks, all the headaches that come with this. No, you don't have to go through all of those. When you think about it, all these big brands you're hearing, I've been mentioning most of them. We have Techno, we have getfit.ng that are selling fitness item on Instagram. All these big brands you're hearing, and most of them, they don't manufacture their product themselves. So why should you stress yourself with manufacturing? All you need to do is to contact suppliers on Alibaba, manufacturers on Alibaba. They manufacture for you and brand it with your brand name, logo, everything concerning everything about your brand. So private labeling is the easiest way to build your brand as a small business owner. Guys, thank you for watching this video to this end. I really appreciate. Please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will show this video to other people that are interested in videos like this. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. Don't miss out in any of my videos. Turn on your bell notification. Like, you don't want to do that to yourself. Share these videos with family and friends on your social media platform, and I will really appreciate that. Bye guys, I will see you in my subsequent ones.